Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube recap. So YouTube is rolling down the recap feature from North America to the other areas. So if I go to the YouTube app here and click on the use section at the bottom right corner, then you will get a banner at the top which says YouTube recap. Now the other thing that you can do is go to any browser, open Google Chrome or Safari, then use the search bar and simply type in youtube.com/recap. Okay, so once you do that, youtube.com/recap, you can also do it on your computer, then hit enter, and now you can see 2025. Looking for your 2025 recap is available in the YouTube app, so you can click on the open YouTube app. However, it is still rolling, so you may or may not find it. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.